Hello everyone, I'm Jimit from Team 6. I'm presenting on behalf of my team. Our project RydePro is a rideshare application. Our design challenge was based on our prior experiences where we noticed that people who are handicapped or who travel with pets or extra luggage have a lot of concern with the current ride-sharing services. There have been times where drivers have cancelled upon them at the pickup location because of their special condition. Then we found that it is important for current ride-sharing services to address their needs. Therefore, our project statement states that how might we cater to the diverse needs of the users with disability, pets, and extra luggage for the ride-sharing services. Our target audience were people with accessibility, people who travel with pets or extra luggage. We had three goals for our project. Goal one was to identify potential needs of diverse users. We conducted user interviews to achieve that. Goal two was to develop an effective design to include their requirements. We created paper prototypes and conducted a quick usability testing. Goal three was to focus on design so that user is able to complete tasks successfully. We created mid-file prototypes and conducted usability testing and iterated on designs. We followed the standard UCD process and evaluated our usability results using affinity diagram. Here are some of our interesting findings from our project. 5 out of 6 participants finished the task successfully, and the average time was 3 minutes and 44 seconds to request a ride. A participant identified that they need booster seats when they're traveling with toddlers or babies. There may be religious reasons for not accepting the pets in the car, such as dogs, for example. That's why it is more important to notify drivers beforehand. These are some of the results from our user research. The core problems of our user type was that they wanted to notify drivers before confirming the ride. They wanted to schedule the ride with a special condition in advance to assure the pickup. Both riders and drivers want to save money and time. Riders wanted a better user experience. Users with pets said that the size and the type of pet, such as dog or cat, will filter the choice of cars. User with extra luggage said the number of luggage and the size of the luggage matters for them. User with disability said the type of wheelchair, such as electric, or if the wheelchair is able to disassemble, matters the type of car. They need more waiting time at the pickup location, and they need an additional instruction box for drivers to before pickup. Both users with disabilities and extra luggage may need assistance of driver if they are traveling alone. User shifting location with a lot of luggage, pets may filter the choice of car and driver. There might be some users with a combination of pets and users with disability, such as guide dog for blind people or service man may filter the choice of cars. We created some paper prototypes and tested using Marble Pop. Here is the link if you want to test. These are some of the key insights for a paper prototype. Most of our participants found that the prototype had too many screens and it needed to be more streamlined. We had like 10 screens or 10 steps to book the ride. The workflow did seem to be straightforward. Participants also found that the button labels were confusing, such as select right instead of next. Accessible participants found the wheelchair breakdown was useful, but it took a lot of time for them to book the ride. We created mid-fi prototypes in Xjor based on the usability evaluation of the lo-fi testing. After doing the usability testing in person for mid-fi prototype, we went through a third iteration of designs based on the insights we got. These are some of the key insights of the mid-fi usability testing. The search icon on the home screen was too confusing. So we had a search bar which was labeled as pickup location third iteration. The icons in the second iteration were not labeled and were more confusing. So we labeled the icons in the third iteration to avoid confusion. The most important part of the ride, such as price, was not prominent enough. So we made the price more bold to make it more prominent. Uh, Users with disability wanted some additional instruction box to notify drivers. So we added a additional instruction box for users to notify driver before pickup. We can go to the Excel link to see the modified prototype with the changes. So when you click on the pickup location, it takes or auto locates the pickup location, and you can go to the destination location. This screen shows you, gives the user a chance to enter their special need and select a car. The label is changed to confirm trip. This is an additional instruction box for users to uh, enter their special needs if they have any. When the user confirms, they can wait for the car. When they end the ride, they can tip the customer or they can see the trip details. Thank you for watching. We hope that you liked it. Please share your comments in the discussion thread. Thank you.